Cold lay tarmac repairs need regular attention to keep them performing and to prevent recurrence of potholes. After the repair, inspect the patch visually every month for the first 6 months and then quarterly for the next 2 years. Look for cracking, edge lifting, sinking, or loose aggregate. If you notice the edges separating, reseal with a compatible cold lay joint sealant applied with a pointing trowel or a squeeze bottle, working the sealant into the gap so water cannot track underneath. For any settling or minor depressions, add and compact another small layer of cold lay material in thin lifts, no thicker than 1 inch each, and compact with a hand tamper or plate compactor if available, keeping moisture low during compaction. Keep the surface free of sand, leaves, oil, and chemicals by sweeping regularly and removing spills quickly with a mild detergent and water so bond and porosity are not compromised. Avoid heavy vehicle traffic for at least 24 hours after placement and for up to 7 days if temperatures are low to allow proper interlock of particles. Use cones or temporary barriers to control loads. Finally, plan to reseal the entire area with a surface seal or slurry every 2 to 3 years, depending on traffic and climate, to renew surface cohesion and reduce ultraviolet and water damage. Common mistakes include assuming a single inspection is enough, which lets small failures grow. Fix this by scheduling and recording routine checks and photographing changes so you can act early. Another error is overfilling and failing to compact in thin layers, which causes the patch to slump. Correct that by applying material in layers no thicker than 1 inch and compacting each layer fully. A third frequent issue is poor edge sealing that allows water ingress and freeze-thaw damage. Prevent this by tooling a continuous sealant bead into the joint and maintaining it when you see any separation. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting them with nearby projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other about aftercare and maintenance.